today's video is going to be a super short review of a product that I decided to give a try. I noticed this is a product that a lot of lock sisters use in their locks, and they seem to swear by this particular product. So the product that I am talking about on today is none other than the Neutrogena Anti-Residue Shampoo. And you guys probably have seen this a lot. I'm sure you can use this on loose natural hair. I'm sure you can use this on perm hair, chemical bound hair, whatever you want to call it, or any type of hair. I don't think it necessarily matters. Also, I know it's very important for my natural sisters out there. You want your first ingredient to be water. Most certainly the first ingredient in here is water. And if you look at the product itself, it looks like water, okay? It's truly see-through. Okay, it is a see-through product. Okay, so it looks like water. So this is the amount of the product that I have used so far. I don't know if you can really tell. So again, for me, a little bit went a long way, and that is the purpose of you wetting your scalp, your hair thoroughly first, and then going on with the product so that it can disperse out through the scalp without any issues. You can use more, you can spray it more if your hair is already wet. Okay, if I didn't mention it before, let me mention it now. This is a 6 floral ounce, okay, a 6 floral ounce. The smell is ridiculous, literally ridiculous. Don't mean it in a good way. It's a ridiculous scent, okay? So not for another scent. What does it smell like, or what can I relate it to? Smells like man gym clothes mixed in mothballs. I just don't like it. The scent is very masculine. Neutrogena. If you hear me, please switch up this scent because it doesn't smell cute, okay? Thank you. So anyway, guys, without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to disperse the product through my wet hair. I have gone in and applied the shampoo, and I have one more side that I need to apply it. Y'all, I'm no loctician. I'm just trying to figure out what works best for my locks, okay? So keep that in mind. I don't know how this is going to turn out once I'm done. Hopefully I have not messed up my progress. Let's talk about the texture of this particular shampoo. It is a watery consistency in my opinion. As you guys can see, it's clear, and I do like that it is a clear shampoo. Although it looks like I'm going in hard, I'm really not. I'm actually going in very gently. So, just in case you guys are wondering how much this particular shampoo costs, it cost me $6.99 with tax. I'm sure it's about $7. And I purchased mine at Kroger, but you can find it at Walmart. And at Walmart, I believe it goes for about $5. You can also go online to Amazon and find this product. And I'm sure Neutrogena has their very own website where you can go directly to them and purchase the product. I'll be back in about 10 minutes, and I'm going to go ahead and wash this shampoo out and let you guys see what the end results look like. Hey y'all, just got out the shower, and I know my lens is a little bit blurred. Hey, what I tell you? Hey, what I tell you? Okay. Clean you off a little bit here. There you go. So, oh wow, I forgot to put my little twist all over my head because I was so excited. But wow, for the most part I think it did a great job. It washed out really well. I don't have any shampoo left over, so I'm quite pleased in that regard. Y'all have nothing bad to say as of right now, because this is an initial review. But my hair feels uber clean. What I'm doing is just going in with my bobby pins to kind of set my hair in the shape I want it to be in. Okay, so that's what's going on here. But no, and I'm stretching it. I'm actually quite pleased with how it turned out. So far. Is this a repurchase? I can't truly say just yet because excuse me, because I just can't get past the scent. I finally figured out while I was in the shower washing my hair what I could compare the scent of this product to excuse me, that you guys may be familiar with. So I know as growing up as a child, my dad used to use the Afro Sheen, I think that's what it was called, and it came in a brown bottle. I'm going to try to see if I can find one, and if so I'll post it up somewhere so you guys can see. But I think it was called Afro Sheen. My dad had one of the most beautiful afros I ever seen, and he really maintained it really nicely growing up as a child. But he loved this particular spray, hairspray, and he would use it in his afro. So yeah, it smells like that. And even back then I never really liked the smell. And in the recent years, when I was a loose natural, I tried to use this product and I just still could not get past the scent. So it smells like that, and it does not smell too pleasant to me. Anyway, you guys, that concludes today's video. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you tulips in the next one. Smooches. Mwah.